Good morning. I'm here today to go over your assignment for today, which is December 1st. So today we're going to be focusing on, again, practicing Punnett squares. We're going to use a self-correcting Google Sheet, which I personally love because it gives you instant feedback to know if you're actually doing the cross correctly or if you need to go back and revisit. So you're going to be clicking on this assignment. And the first thing that usually gets students tripped up is there's going to be this big box right on your screen. So it says before you begin, you're going to click on Tools, and then you have to go in and uncheck Enable Autocomplete if it is checked. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't, and then you can delete this image once that's finished. So let's go in. We're going to go under Tools, and it says Enable Autocomplete. So in this case, it is, so hypothetically speaking, if this is checked, so you have to uncheck it. And then you can go to this box and then just hit delete. So for each of these questions, in total, there's 13 questions plus a bonus. You do not have to do the bonus, but I obviously would strongly encourage it. So let me show you how this works. For question, it says complete the Punnett square for each cross, then list the expected results as a percentage. Type only in the gray boxes. When every part of the answer is correct, it will actually turn green. Please be sure to turn it in on Google Classroom once you are done. So let's look at our first cross. Tall pea plants are dominant to short pea plants. A tall pea plant, capital T, or homozygous dominant, is crossed with a short pea plant, homozygous recessive, two lowercase p's. So based on our rules of inheritance, you're going to fill in the appropriate Punnett square box. So this box would be a capital T, lowercase t. This one would be capital T, lowercase t. All of them would actually have the same genotype and phenotype for this cross. Then what is my probability? Well, at this point, you know that the dominant is going to overpower the recessive. So in this cross, there's going to be 100% tall pea plants. All of the crosses, all of the offspring will be tall. And then there'll be 0% for short. So now I'm going to hit enter. And if you watch, it magically turns green. Now, say hypothetically speaking, if I put the wrong answer and say 0% tall and 100% short, which is again is the incorrect answer, when I click out of the box, it didn't change colors. So that means to me that there is something wrong in one of those gray boxes. Okay, so again, let's go back and write the right answer, 100% tall and 0% short, and then it lights up. So that's really a good indication to you to know if you are getting it correct. Okay, so you're going to do again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, and then you have your bonus question. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Also, I forgot to tell you, at the end, if you solved all your questions correctly, you'll be able to answer this little riddle. It said, what did the genetic engineer wear to dinner? So all the answers, obviously, you can see on this first one. It popped up a little E because this first answer was correct. So I hope you enjoy. Again, like I said before, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your teacher. We'd love to help.